for there, Joe.
When I hold this one,
come out there.
I'll beat this girl.
Why you go push her like that? Camera. They see your wife. Why you keep for us?
Come go outside. Take that. When I hold this one, see you go break my.
He must agree to come.
How now? Now my wife had tell you so.
Yes, Nana, your wife now the number where you give me now. Wait say I call. She don't agree. She even agree for threesome self.
I don't understand. Wait. My only wife I married, but agreed to come and hook up. I don't understand. What do women define for life now? Which kind nonsense be this one? Madam,
Where even get that kind of wife from?
Baba, now see, best way you see there, now best way I don't marry finish. I don't marry if you do everything, wedding, wife with everything. As you get 3 kids for me, 2 kids and 1 now, 1 baby day for hand.
Jesus.
And
Jesus. Omo, like this now, I don't know. This is on network with this too. I don't know.
hello?
I dey hear you. Sorry, network just cut off.
Jesus.
I don't even know where you get that
Jesus.
kind of wife from, I swear. I don't know where you get that kind of wife from.
Jesus. Hey, Jesus. I need to let the parents know this time around. Please, see what I want from you.
Okay.
Since I know they're around, see what I want from you. Once, if you do what you want to do, once if you come there and I make sure I talk with them, I want to see her for live video. I want to see her to video. So like they can know this. That's what I listen to the video, give the parents. Let them know what me.
Okay, I beg, I won't beg you for something. Never call anybody yet. I beg.
Baba, now my wife they tell me so like I need to let them know.
Yes. What I mean by me never tell make people, say she never call reach here. May they no come go call her now. I beg, never call anybody yet. Even herself, no call her.
No, okay, no worries, okay.
No worries,
I don't know.
Make her go arrange some other things so that I go fit send her location. I beg. I will call you later. Once she come reach here, I will call you later. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Women go see good husband. Women go see good husband. Go still dey fuck up. Anyhow, shall make her send her the look at the hotel location so that he go come meet me. So please, alongside you are watching this video, I'm begging you, please, don't forget to share this video. What's the name of this hotel? I'll come and record the video. Make a find way get the name of the hotel. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share. Cheers, guys. Okay, guys, she just flashed me now. I don't know if she don't come reach you. Hello? Yeah, I saw your missed call.
I wanted to call you, but not for that time.
Okay, where you dey like this?
I'm at the hotel reception.
You did the hotel reception?
Yeah?
You did the hotel reception now?
Yes, I'm at the hotel reception.
Okay. I dey come pick you now. Thank you very much.
Alright.
See, go feel this. Shady, your shot dey okay. Okay. Be okay. I bet no. Make her hide this now. How are you doing? You look very, very good. Yeah, Shogi. Which one come be small children? Look like small children for your eyes. You say yes. See this, see mature man wey dey see here. See beard sef, dey talk say na small children. Which one come be most? Na your money na im be problem. Yeah. I'll transfer your money give you. Na the money na im be problem. You think say because today like you think say we be small pikin then. That's just come inside come dey tag us say we be small children. Is how much be your money? 170. Okay, but why network want delay me now? But abeg no dey call us small children again abeg.
You sef you know say na small pikin.
Which one come be even me sef I know say. Which kind talk come be say we be small children? Don see person papa like me. Come see person papa like this. Talk say we say. Yeah, you be person mama. Yeah, everybody na person ma. Person lis ten na bet. That one no mean say go tell us say we be small.
Calm down now.
Calm down now. Go say na wow. Which bank you dey bank with? Let me dial your account number there. Oh, wow. They say we be small pikin, we small. Oh, see a old grown up man like me, they don't tell me say I be small pikin. Oh. Ha 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 ha. 170,000. Abeg, check your phone. I don't know. I don't send am. That's ya. No. You need towel. So.
To do it.
I need to change up.
Which one come be need to change up? No be. Which one come be change up again?
Seriously, when I come to look my nakedness, I come to do something. Which one will I?
The this thing we want to no be nakedness we go. No be naked we go.
Come on, this way.
The person, which one come be person mother? Which one come be person mother? No be business we dey do here.
Okay. Business dey different. This one dey different.
What do you mean this
I be
one?
make I dey go.
What?
You collect money finish, you wan dey go.
If na no dey serious, na go dey go now.
No,
But
wait.
if na give me towel, ma go change.
Come on,
up. Na
this
dey
way
na
enter here.
You carry towel there.
The fight when.
But I do transfer for you here. You know, for I no cover phone. Oh wow. Do fast come out o. How many hours you wan take you? This woman, you never see finish.
You dey born? Which one be?
Okay, so I'm smart if you start. You say that for buy.
You calm down now. They rush me.
Wait.
Why you won't tell me where they rush me?
Okay. Alpha, you know this person?
Jesus.
Why you go push her like that?
Why I don't go push
Camera, calm down. Camera, calm down.
Babe,
Come, leave this phone.
please, I'm sorry.
Which one be? Which one be? Which one be, babe? You are sorry. You push person. You push person. Imagine what they do. How many children? Come, we will not touch this phone.
See, eh?
How many children you get?
You get one lock, eh?
How many children you get? Imagine you. They do hook up inside your marriage. You dey do hook up inside your marriage.
Wetin dey worry you?
Which one be don show your husband? Even you wan slap am. You even wan slap am. You even wan slap am.
You know me?
Which one is don show your husband for something beside I go call. Come on, Jack, come on, Jack. You say go do it. You say go do
I go beat
it.
you.
You
Come on for there, Joe.
come on, Jack.
I'll beat this girl. I'll beat you.
I'll break that phone though.
Chairman, you dey see your wife. You dey see your wife. You dey see wetin your wife
I'm
dey
going
do.
to tell you.
You dey see your wife.
I'm going to. I know
You dey see your wife.
Come wait.
You say you are finished.
Come
You dey see your wife. You dey see your wife, abi. You dey see your wife. Why you keep for house?
go aside.
Jesus! When I hold this one, see you go break my.
Leave this. See, no allow me, man, slap you. No allow me, make
I don't
I
enjoy
slap
you.
you. No allow
I
man
don't
slap
enjoy
you.
you. I don't enjoy you.
Person, you be person mama with 3 children.
I don't enjoy
Who
you.
you leave your pikin for? Who you leave your pikin
Go
for?
over there.
Who you leave your pikin for?
Yeah, wait till
Who you leave your pikin? Oga, they see am abi?
see.
They see your wife. They see your wife and work. They
No
see
come
am.
here. I don't enjoy you. No come here.
They see your wife. They see wetin your wife dey do. They see wetin your wife dey do.
Wait till go outside.
You say wetin? You say you video. I go punch you. I go punch you like this for face. I go punch you like this for face.
You have to do that one.
Your husband is on live video. Are you seeing him?
You have to do that one.
Are you seeing him? Your husband is on video watching you. Your husband is on video watching you.
I don't know why. I don't know why I would try to behave like this. I don't know why.
Nonsense girl.
3 children. 3 children.
$170.
Once you want to 3, you want to 3 songs. 170. How much your husband dey give you? Na play. He say na wetin?
I know you. You know
He
me.
say na play. You don dey
You
waiting.
know
He
me.
say, Chama, he say na play dey play with us o. Na play don come. He don come on top bed. He don come on top bed. Come lie down. He talk say na play. He say na play. He don come on top.
Don't you hear Yabo? Go outside.
Imagine you. Shey no dey catch you.
See am. See the thing.
Come transfer my money back give me.
Now, now.
Transfer my money back give me.
Don't hear you.
He say what you want
You got one.
You get husband. You get husband.
I
You
will
get
enjoy you.
husband.
I will enjoy you.
You get husband.
I will enjoy you. I
You
don't
get
want
husband.
you. I will enjoy you.
You get husband. You get husband. You get husband. You get husband. Husband wey dey take care of you. Husband wey dey give you. He go comot. Baba already comot finish. He say make I follow you now. Dey go your house go collect your car key. He's trying to add your elder brother for this video. Come make your elder brother see am live. This one be more interesting.
I know you. I know you.
Am I a woman? Your husband go take care of. Despite say your husband say make we beat you up. But me, I no go touch you. I no go touch you.
Just get luck. I don't want
Just get luck.
Transfer
Transfer my money back. Go wait for you. Transfer my money back.
See, now that one I'm touching here for you. I ain't like now. See.
I will transfer.
Oh yeah, do it. That one.
I'm not sure this video.
You say?
My husband, I beg.
You do that
I
one.
beg.
Put aside. Put aside.
Hey,
Just send that money back, I beg.
Just imagine.
Hey, say that one. I ain't my problem.
Just imagine.
Back, yeah.
No dey shame.
Send that money
They
back.
can't do hook up 3 songs for that matter.
hey, I beg.
You do that one.
I beg.
You know, you and who dey do that one?
You and who dey do that one?
You and who dey do that one?
See, no, see, if you
I
want
go
to
transfer the money back. I go transfer the money. I no show the money.
Which one be no show?
You said not come.
You dey see am?
Yeah, see the face.
You dey see am well o. In the beg say make we no show you the this thing.
See, I don't want you to just give way you do.
Dey see your wife. Dey see am.
You say wait, come, sit down, no?
Money, fuck! I go be